Hello friends, this is video interface of AutoCAD 2022. In this video, we will know how to insert a file in a Word. For that, we will take new file. We will write text. For writing text, go to Home D1 and select any multi-line text line, anyone. And select. We will select anyone multi-line. Write text. Assignment. This is too small. For increase the height, we will take approx. We will double the 6. Sorry. SIGNMENT assignment. We'll select. We'll go to enter 5. Enter. This is okay. This is our words. To insert the word file in this, go to insert menu. You see hyperlink. After that, we will choose our file. We can choose any file. Like I want to select desktop. I want to select this file. I will say first line. Okay. Okay. Our file is inserted in the assignment. To open this, control plus. First, we will click here. We will see the red arrow. After that, we will press control option. After OK, then we will see this dialog box. Okay, this will open our PDF file, which is in our computer system. Okay, thank you for seeing my video. Thanks a lot.